Hi friends, today I'm gonna review a solder iron toolkit. This is a complete solder iron toolkit bag in which all the tools you will need to repair a circuit are available. Now we are going to unbox this bag. You can see there are all the necessary tools are available. This is the multimeter. You will need to check circuits and different electronic components with the help of it. The next tool is solder iron. This is an adjustable solder iron with 5 different tips. This is the solder sucker used for removing solder from the circuit. Some wires you can use in your projects. This is the best quality cutter you can use to remove wires from your circuit. All these components are best in quality. You can buy this toolkit from banggood.com. The link is in the description. Please like, share and comments below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.